So these are the things that you will see in your paradise. Okay. Hi.
Hi,
Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but it is breaking in between. I don't know. Mm,
Your sound is also breaking a little bit.
Is it okay? Is it proper now? Can you hear me?
Uh, yes,
Yes? Okay, all right. How are you doing, Shalaka? Are you doing well?
yes, I'm doing fine.
You're doing fine. Beautiful. So, how was the morning?
It's nice.
Nice. Is it beautiful?
Yes,
Yes, okay. So, tell me, do you think the earth is a beautiful place or a dangerous place?
it's a beautiful place.
It's a beautiful place, okay. So, what are the things that you love about our nature?
I love the trees, I love the colors, and I also love different types of flowers. I like I like different species of animals,
Yes.
and I also like the beautiful lakes
Hmm.
and birds building their nests.
Okay, perfect. Now, we are going to do one on the spot description. Okay. So, I will provide you with a starting sentence like, in my paradise. What is a paradise? What is a paradise? Tell me.
I don't know.
Paradise is, you don't know?
Is it heaven?
Yeah, it is like a heaven. Okay, so paradise is like heaven. It's filled with beautiful things. Okay, that's a paradise.
Oh,
Now, if I say, in my paradise, I see. You have to continue with the sentences, Shalaka. What all things would you see in your paradise?
mm, I would see some hills with trees full of beautiful flowers and birds chirping here and there.
Hmm. Okay. Then, then what else? It's so beautiful. It's so vibrant. What is vibrant? Vibrant?
Means
Colorful.
color.
Yes. So we will use that word. Okay. It's vibrant. It's scenic. What is the meaning of scenic?
It's full of scenery.
Yeah, it's full of scenery, which is eye pleasing. Which is eye pleasing. What is eye pleasing?
It's it looks nice.
It looks attractive. It looks beautiful. Okay, that is eye pleasing. Okay,
Hmm.
and what will you see? The blooming flowers, the blooming blossoms, the blooming flowers.
Lost.
Yeah, and there will be a gentle breeze. Hmm. There will be a gentle breeze,
And
and
there will be
there
a
will be
a flower bed.
flower beds. Yes, and what are the birds doing in your paradise?
It's springtime and they are building nests and laying eggs.
Hmm. They sing melodiously, creating a soothing symphony.
Yes.
Yes. And Chalaka, would you like to walk barefoot on the grass?
Yes,
Yeah, you can try that as well. I will walk barefoot
on the
on the
grass.
grass. Perfect. So these are the things that you will see in your paradise. Okay.
Yes.
Now, I will be giving you a place and you have to tell me what all things would you see in that place. Okay. So I will
Okay.
read out the place and you have to describe each and everything, what you would feel, what you will hear, what you would see. So we are using all our senses. Okay. Even you can tell me what would you
Smell.
smell. Yes, correct. Now, beach paradise. Tell me, describe a beach paradise.
I would see an open ocean with nice share with very pleasant shades of blue, and the sun is just going down, and it looks like the sun is entering the ocean,
Wow, yes.
and some waves are coming, and I can feel the waves splashing on my body as I
Mhm.
lay down on
Correct.
in the gentle breeze,
Hmm.
and I the I can smell the wet sand, and it smells nice, and there are crabs at some point at some places, and there are even shells and nice pebbles.
Perfect. Yes, correct. So that was a beautiful description. I liked it. It was beautiful. Okay.
Yes.
Now we are going to describe what is this?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can
I
hear
can't
you.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Hello? Shalaka, can you
Your
hear
voice
me?
is yes, I can hear you now.
Hello? Is it proper?
Yes.
Okay.
What were you saying?
Yes. Now we are going to describe
A house,
mountain paradise. Okay.
mount. Okay. I would be sitting on the peak of the mountain and feeling proud of myself that I have hiked over such a big mountain, and I reached the top, and I would see birds soaring high in the sky and looking for uh, for food for the young ones, and I would see that the clouds are
Mm-hmm.
all pink in color, and the sun it's the sun is
The
uh,
sun is.
rising, and the sun is rising, uh, and the mountain is has ice all over it,
Hmm.
and I can see my brother with me,
Okay.
and he's making lunch for breakfast for us,
Oh, wow.
and
Okay.
I lay down
Mm-hmm.
talking to him.
Okay. And you are making your brother work. Is that what is happening in the description?
Uh, yes, type
Yes.
of like.
Yes, kind of. Okay. All right. Now, do you think paradise is a place or do you think it's a feeling that we get?
It's a place.
It's a place, okay, and it's a feeling that we get because we feel good about the place.
Yes.
So we will say it is subjective. Okay, it is
Subject.
subjective. What is subjective? Subjective means it is what you feel. Okay,
Okay.
there is no right and wrong, there is no fact involved. That's the reason we call it as subjective. Now, what is the opposite of subjective?
Objective.
Objective, yes. And what is objective?
Um, in which there are facts are involved.
Yes, exactly. In which the facts are involved. Okay, so that is objective.
Yes.
Can you give me an example of objective?
Objective. Can you give me an example first?
Yeah, definitely. New Delhi is the capital of India. Fact, it's objective, right?
Okay.
Now try.
Um, mm, mm. The moon is the natural satellite of Earth.
Moon is the national satellite of Earth. Yes, correct. Fact. Now, what
Yes.
about subjective? Can you give me an example with subjective?
Heaven, hell.
Heaven and hell, yes, that is subjective, not based on fact. Correct. It's what you feel. Okay. There are people who believe in it. There are people who do not believe in it. Okay.
Yes.
Now imagine, Shalaka, I'm giving you this authority to design your own paradise, however way you like it. Now, what all things would you include and what are the things that you would exclude?
I would exclude my busy. Um, my. I would exclude all the things I have to do and all the things I don't like to do and all the things I will never do.
Yes.
And, and I and I would include uh, my brother and book, and
Hmm.
I would like it to be a hilltop. It would be a cottage on a hill,
Yes.
and around the cottage there would be a garden
Hmm.
full of flowers and different fruits and vegetables. And at the foot of the hill there will be a forest.
Perfect. Yes. That's a beautiful paradise. And who all are there in your paradise?
My family.
Your family. Yes. Okay. Only your family? That will be boring. You need more people. Right?
I would like to include my friends,
Friends.
some of my friends.
Correct. Your family, your friends. And who else?
Um, mm, Books and books.
Lots of books. Yes. That's very important.
Yes.
Correct. Perfect, Shalaka. Now, we have talked about our paradise, the things that we see, the things that we hear, the things that we talk about. But what about taste? Right, we missed out on taste. So, what do you think? What all will be there in your paradise to taste?
There would be fruits I've never ever tasted before, and
Exotic food,
different type of food.
correct, that you have never tasted before, right?
Tasted. Yes.
Beautiful.
Where do you live?
I'm in Pune. I live in Pune.
Oh, um, it's in Maharashtra too. I also
Yes.
live in Maharashtra.
Where are you from?
I'm from Buldhana.
Bulthana. Okay, great. I am from Pune. You are from Maharashtra. Okay. Yes. Okay, great. So, Shalaka, teacher had a lovely session with you. I had a great time with you, and our time has finished now. But I will be
Yes.
meeting you next time. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.